Top of the morning, YouTube. I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on ice splicing hollow braid rope. So the item you see here, this is let's try a different color. What works better here? Right here. No, not so much. Anyway, this right here is an aluminum tube homemade fid. It's what you need to go through the hollow braid. Okay, here's a quick video. If I can get it started. Still haven't figured that out. Alright. If I can successfully stop this video at some point. Okay, there is the hollow point. Here's the fid. Let's try this color. Here's the fid, and I'm going to try to feed that into the hollow point, the hollow braid. Okay, so you just push it together, the braid together, it creates a little hole, and then right there, that's the other problem with a homemade fid. I got this little issue right here, and as it turns out, if I rotate that to the underside, then it works real easy, and I figured that out later in the video. Okay, it looks like I figured out how to navigate. Alright, so it's slowly going in. If I had an actual commercially made fid, this would go a lot easier. So it turns out I didn't have time. I went to a hardware store and bought 7/32 aluminum tube, which was big enough ID for the hollow braid rope to slip inside, and then I just cut it at a diagonal and for my point and use pliers to sort of shape it into a point and reduce the sharpies as much as possible. So obviously a nice fid doesn't have sharpies, so you don't catch braid and start messing up your rope. Now here I'm starting to get pretty good because this is the first run at doing this with my homemade fid. And I'm getting the idea on how to feed it on. Okay, so this is where the other end goes inside the tube. You can see that the tube will allow you to push. So when you feed it into the tube here, you get your rope all the way to this point up here inside the tube, and then you take the tube and pull it out this way, and the rope stays built in inside here. Hopefully it'll come out a little bit out here, and we'll see that in a minute. Alright, I figured out how to do this. Okay, so here, now I got my fid emerging. Again, a little bit of trouble catching the fine hairs in the braid, but it actually didn't do any. This is where I learned turn the tube a little bit. There we go. Okay, so it's ready. This is a good point to get to. You just put your rope inside the fid, and you know, by now, just to give you the idea, by now the rope is somewhere around here. Hopefully I get it out to here, and then when I pull this fid all the way out, the rope is stuck inside. So let's see that happen. One sec, here we go. Okay, I'm grabbing it at the wrong place, and now I'll get it at the right place. And we're gonna see nice and easy, there's the rope. And now you just come back and trim it off. So I'm gonna push the braid back, snip away what I thought was the right amount, and it actually is. I just had to learn. You know, the rope starts Kellum gripping, so you just have to work it right. And I could have gotten that inside on a first try, but I'm going to cut away a little bit more, and this will make the tail end tuck inside the hollow braid, and now it's just a neat little splice. You can't see anything. That's exactly how we want it. Got my diving tools connected.